You guys asked me to cover NNDM stock, and it is 4th of July, but I am happy to help you on this Independence Day. NNDM stock, currently valued at about $2.95, is rated only 33 out of 100 by Investor Place. Investor Place ranks it based on its technical and fundamental analysis. That means that even though NNDM has more cash on hand than market cap, you may hear that once in a while, more cash on hand than market cap, NNDM stock still likely isn't going to double or triple or anything like that. So let's take a look even closer. NNDM is a lot like MBOT. MBOT stock, after we took profits at $3.35, dumped from $3.67 to $2.70, losing almost 25% of its value overnight. Make sure that you watch this video until the end so that you aren't caught holding the bag when you trade NNDM stock. Do you guys remember when I called COIN stock? You can check the video out right here. The coin money grab. I was buying shares left and right at $51, and I was asking you all to do the same. Although this is not financial advice, you're free to buy whatever stock that you wish. COIN was $51 when we first purchased the stock. The stock rallied from $51 when everyone was scared. Everyone was saying COIN would dump because the SEC sued COIN, Coinbase stock, right? But we were buying it in droves. We went against the herd. We did something different. We took a chance, and it was 100% based on the technicals and fundamentals of the actual company. And with my guidance, right? With my guidance, together, we were able to take a trade on COIN from $51 all the way to the current price of $79.93. Imagine that for a second. A 50% increase on a large cap stock like COIN. A 50% increase. If you invested $100,000, which the stock can totally take, you would make $50,000 profit if you sold right now, today. And of course, the market's closed right now, but you'd be able to sell tomorrow for 50% profits from our original entry, more than 50% profits. And that's why we're a little different. We're a little different from the other trading groups. We aren't here to gamble. We aren't here to go with the herd. We're not here to play on hype. We're here to stop losing money. My channel is to help you stop losing money and start making money in the stock market. That's why our traders are making money every single day if they trade my callouts well. And this is not even a joke. The last 5 days, we won almost every single trade that we took. Almost every single one. The past 3 days, we did win every single trade. So, NNDM stock, 293. NNDM did not move much on July 3rd. This is scary. This is scary. NNDM not moving much is pretty scary because NNDM is right now at a significant point of resistance at $3. If NNDM cannot break and hold above the $3 level, we're in some serious hot water, team. NNDM responded really well to earnings on June 29th, and the stock is still continuing to go up, but we can't expect this rally to continue. The high of NNDM is 374, and that was back in August. So if NNDM stock at $3.74 is the high, right, it's the most recent high, we can't expect NNDM to double or triple, and in fact, we can't really expect it to go up much more at all. NNDM stock, if it holds the $3 level, okay, NNDM chart, okay, this is the way that stocks work. NNDM chart has to break and hold $3. What does that mean? It means that hedge funds have to value NNDM stock at more than $3. These are the guys that move the market. It's not the guys like me, like you, who are investing $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 into the market, which are going to move the stock. Who are going to move the stock? Those are the hedge funds. The hedge funds are going to move the stock, and if they don't value NNDM at more than $3, then mark my words, NNDM will dump. NNDM will dump. Be careful. NNDM will dump. If NNDM does not break $3, and I am talking about breaking $3 within the next 3 trading days max. Why? Because we have so many people that are aware of the fact that NNDM, Nano Dimension Stock, has more cash on hand than market cap, and so people are scared. People are scared that NNDM stock is going to go up too high too fast. And what ends up happening, if a stock goes up too high too fast and there's a lot of hype backing a stock, hedge funds love that. Hedge funds love when people hype a stock because that gives them a chance to short the stock and make easy money. If everyone is buying into this idea that NNDM stock is going to go to $6, then unfortunately, and I'm so sorry, but NNDM stock is most likely going to dump. Okay, but that's okay because we're not married to stocks, right? I'm not married to any particular stock. Any stock I'm willing to sell, any stock I'm willing to buy. But the stock has to be a good deal, my friends. That's the key. The stock has to be a good deal. What that means is the stock has to be valued when I buy the stock at less than the actual value of the stock. When we bought Coinbase back at $51 just 2 weeks ago, COIN was undervalued. It was a good deal. When we bought the stock, we were able to ride it all the way back up to $80. So that's how we made 50% profits. Other stocks that we bought, we bought Lucid, we bought CCL, we bought AMD. Almost every single call out that we did on this channel was a winner, but that's really important that we actually buy the stock immediately when the stock is a good deal. Why? Because eventually the stock will go up and it's no longer a good deal. If a stock goes from $10 and it's a good deal at $10 and then it goes to $20, we need to sell the stock. We need to take profits because that's the only way we'll be able to actually grow our trading accounts. We can always find another good deal in the stock market, but we have to make sure that we are selling NNDM stock at a good price and buying it at a good price as well. So if you guys want to learn how to trade from me, if you guys want to make money with my team, if you want my trades, if you want me to do the heavy lifting for you, then click the link in the description. There's a free trial that I offer for my pro group. I will mentor you and make you into a profitable trader. Do you understand how valuable it is to have a professional trader personally see to your success in the stock market? It's insane, guys. If you click the link below, you can schedule a call with me and I will help you trade stocks until you make the money that you wanted to make in the stock market, and you've always wanted to make it. You know that you love stocks, so what are you waiting for? It's 100% free. Click the link below. All right, our traders, right? We don't do a lot of guesswork. We don't guess. We don't say maybe. No, we do our due diligence. We find every single thing that we can in our favor that will lead us to make a profitable trade. How is it that I called 32 out of 36 stocks correctly on this channel? How did I do that? Is it because I'm guessing? Am I just lucky? No, we do our due diligence here. I spend hours every single day to make sure me and my traders have the best possible trades in the stock market. And that's why we're able to have such a high success rate. So when we are actually trading NNDM, there are certain indicators that I'm looking for in order to take an entry on the stock. The stock has to break $3. It has to hold $3 for at least 9 minutes. $3 is the key. $3 is the key to NNDM. And if we're able to get a hold of $3, then NNDM will rocket. Let me tell you, NNDM will rocket, but not to where everyone thinks it's going to go. It's going to go to about $3.17, maybe $3.35, but not $6, not $10. I don't care what anybody says. NNDM does not look like it's going to go to that level. And especially with all of the hype going around NNDM right now, I'm not going to risk holding on to my position in hopes that the stock will go up 100% when there's a perfectly reasonable 15% profit to be made on NNDM if we get confirmation. NNDM is not my top stock. I actually have a number of different stocks that I'm watching right now and that I have investments in. If you want access to those top stocks, make sure to click the link in the description and join my trading group. It's free to join. All right. What makes us different? What makes the pro group different? Well, we make money. We make money almost every day. Look, J9988, June 28th, he made money, $1,375. June 29th, he made money, $586. June 30th, he made money, $435. He came back again, July 3rd, right after the weekend. He made money again, right? And he even admits he woke up late and he still made money. Guys, if you're tired of losing money in the stock market, if you're ready to earn, if you want to be consistent, and by the way, welcome Rowdy number 1000 for joining the pro group. Guys, if you want to make money, there's no better place to be than in my trading group, trading side by side with me. If you want to learn how to be a profitable trader, let me mentor you, because you've been watching my YouTube channel. You know I make good call outs. You've been watching my Telegram, my Discord. You've seen a number of winning plays that I've had in the stock market. Yes, I'm probably going to be famous at some point, but for right now, I work for you. So get ready, click the link below, and I'll see you guys in the trading. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below, and I'll see you guys in the stock market.